In this video, I'll show you how to gather float randomly from a range of integers or floats in JavaScript. So this is a really short video. It's very similar to what I've shown you already with picking a random number from a range of numbers in JS. So let's just start writing our function. We're going to name it random float from range. And it's going to take a min and max value, and it's going to be an arrow function, of course. So console.log, and inside of here, I'm going to do math.random. I'm going to call that function, that method, and finally, I'm going to multiply the result with max minus min plus 1 to avoid the zero issue. And finally, I'm going to add the min to it, the min value, so that the number is picked starting from the minimum value of the range, with the minimum value being specified in this function right here. All right, so finally now we can do the random float from range. And I'm going to pass, let's say, 30 and 32. And now you can see that the result is appearing right here on line 2 with console log. If you want to increase the range, the console log is going to now show the values in this increased range. And of course, there is an issue that it's maybe too long and also over the value of 42. We're not going to fix that right now. This is just a quick proof of concept. One thing that we can do is wrap the entire thing in round brackets right here, the entire calculation, and invoke the toFixed function, which can be ran on numbers. So that way, this will show the number as a decimal number with 2 decimal points.